Hi, dear gardeners. This is Monstera adansonii. This is a very beautiful plant. You see, so many holes are naturally made in this plant. Naturally, the plant comes like this, likes it. So you see, even the shadow. How beautiful the shadow is. You see, the shadow is also very beautiful. So I will tell you the secrets of growing this plant, and this is a very green plant, so it is similar to money plant. It is you have to keep it in indirect sunlight. If you keep it in direct sunlight is also okay, but only early morning sunlight is okay. For example, 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock sunlight is okay, but after that you should not keep it in that. And then filtered sunlight is also okay. If you are keeping it under so many trees, it will grow very well. It needs a natural environment. So you need a very good potting mix. The potting mix should be having good soil, live soil, and then some sand, river sand, and then cow dung compost, and then leaf compost. All the things you have to mix, and then you should put a drainage hole in this earthen pot. Always earthen pots are very suitable for plants because the water will not be stagnant inside the pot. If you use a earthen pot, the water will be drained easily and it will be absorbed by the pot. The excess water will be absorbed by the pot. So this is a nice plant. You see my pot. This is used for cooking in India. This is a cooking pot. So I had got a lot of pots like this for free. So my friend gave me this pot, and then the plant is very happy in this pot. So I told you about the potting mix first. So you have to make a drainage hole and then proper soil mix. You can add wood charcoal, cocoa chips, coconut husk and all that in the plant, in the soil, and then water. You have to water it after the soil is becoming dry. So you have to do like that. Again and again you should not water. So the plant will be stressed then. So you have to water it in alternate days, or you have to give some gaps for the soil to dry. So like that you have to do. And then I told you about the fertilizing also, NPK, DAP, and cow dung, compost, and then all the things, household wastages, all the vegetable waters. If you wash vegetables in water, you can pour the water into this. And then if you wash rice and then some other cereals, you can pour the water into that. So like that you can do. Tea wastages you can use here, and then coffee waste you can use here. Like that you can use for all the fertilizers. Weekly once or twice you can fertilize. NPK means you have to give it only 1 gram or half gram, dilute in water and then give. DAP means 2 or 3 granules a week you can give, and then after fertilizing you have to water. That will be very better. It will not spoil your plant. So like that you have to do, and then keep it in indirect sunlight is also okay for this plant. But usually I say to give a natural environment to the plant, you have to keep it under trees or under bushes, in a bushy area surrounding, in a shaded area. You have to keep this plant, and this is a nice plant. You can grow it in a bushy way or like climbing. You can grow it in a lanky way. Otherwise, if you cut the tip of the plant, it will become bushy. I cut the tip of the plant for propagation. I cut here, and this is my DIY moss stick. I will tell you how I did this moss stick. That is, I took a PVC pipe and then I collected some coconut husk pieces and then some charcoal and all the things I kept inside this net. This is a bathing net. There was a loofah at my home, waste loofah for bathing, and then I cut the loofah and I tied like this to the PVC pipe. I put the cocoa husk and wood charcoal, and then I tied it like this, and then I kept it in the pot. While filling the soil, I kept it, and then I planted the plant and then I tied the plant to the mastic. Now you see the mastic, it is tightly gripping. It is attached. It is attached to the mastic. So now I am enjoying the shade here. You see, the shade is also very beautiful. This is very suitable for hot areas also like India. We have no need to worry about whether it will dry. It is not fuzzy like prayer plant and all that. Prayer plant and that stромantho, tricolor stромantho, all that plants are very difficult to grow. But this is very easy like the money plant. So you all grow this plant at your home. Thank you. Bye bye.